Imagine living off your investments, collecting $5,000 every month from your portfolio. How much would you need invested in a broad market fund like Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF, VOO, to make that happen? In this video, we'll break down exactly how much money is required to generate $5,000 per month from VOO, and why this ETF is such a solid choice for long-term income. We'll focus strictly on VOO, what it is, how it performs, and how to use it for a $5,000 per month passive income goal. By the end, you'll know the lowest amount you need invested in VOO to realistically withdraw $5,000 every month. What is VOO and why retirees love it? VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, is one of the most popular index funds for building wealth and passive income. It simply tracks the S&P 500 index, which means when you buy VOO, you're buying a tiny slice of 500 of the largest US companies in one low-cost fund. Here are some key facts about VOO. Low cost. VOO's expense ratio is just 0.03%, which is extremely low. Virtually all your money stays invested instead of going to fees. Great for long-term growth. Solid dividends. VOO pays dividends quarterly, every 3 months. Its current dividend yield is about 1.16%, around $7.04 per share per year. While 1.16% isn't a high yield, those dividends are a nice bonus on top of price gains. Strong performance. The S&P 500 has historically returned roughly 10% annually on average over the long run, about 6 to 7% after inflation. VOO mirrors that performance. Of course, some years are higher and some lower, but over decades, the US stock market's upward trend has been very robust. VOO gives you diversified exposure to the American stock market's biggest companies with minimal cost and a modest dividend stream. This combination of growth plus dividends makes it a great candidate for a retirement portfolio intended to throw off reliable income. Now, let's tackle the big question. How much invested in VOO is needed to withdraw $5,000 per month? $5,000 per month is $60,000 per year. We'll explore two approaches: living off dividends only versus using the portfolio withdrawal rule, the 4% rule, and see which requires the lowest amount of capital. Option 1. Dividends only. Preserve principal. One way to live off VOO is to try to only spend the dividends and never sell any shares. VOO's dividend yield is approximately 1.1 to 1.2% currently. If you want $60,000 a year purely from that approximately 1.2% yield, you'd need a very large principal. Required principal equals $60,000 divided by 0.0116, approximately $5.17 million invested in VOO. In other words, roughly $5 million in VOO would generate about $60,000 in annual dividends. Since 1.16% of $5.17 million invested in VOO would generate about $60,000 in annual dividends. $5 million is $58,000, close to $60,000. Clearly, relying only on dividends demands a huge portfolio because VOO's yield is relatively low. The upside of this approach is that you'd likely never touch your principal. You'd just live on the dividend checks. However, most people can't save $5+ million for retirement, and fortunately, you don't need to. If you're getting value so far, do me a favor, hit like and subscribe. We keep sharing finance and wealth building strategies like this, and we don't want you to miss out. Option 2. Safe withdrawal, 4% rule. A far more achievable strategy is to use the 4% rule, a well-known guideline in retirement planning. The 4% rule suggests that if you withdraw 4% of your portfolio in the first year of retirement and adjust that amount for inflation each year after, your money should last about 30 years. This rule was historically tested on portfolios of stocks and bonds, and 4% was the rate that survived even the worst market downturns in US history, giving high confidence your nest egg won't run out in a typical 30-year retirement. Using the 4% rule for a $60,000 annual withdrawal, required principal equals $60,000 divided by 0.04 equals $1.5 million. Yes, about $1.5 million invested in VOO is the ballpark amount to safely generate $60,000 per year, $5,000 per month in retirement. Put another way, $60,000 is 4% of $1.5 million. Many financial advisors also express this as needing roughly 25 times your annual expenses. 25 times $60,000 equals $1.5 million. This is dramatically less than the $5 million plus needed if you never sell shares. Why? Because with the 4% strategy, you're tapping into VOO's total return, not just dividends. VOO historically grows in value over time, about 10% per year on average in the past. So you can afford to sell a small portion, around 3% of the principal each year, in addition to taking the approximately 1% in dividends. The portfolio's growth tends to replenish what you withdraw, keeping you solvent over decades. According to retirement planners, a $1.5 million stock portfolio can comfortably sustain $60,000 of annual withdrawals under the 4% rule. For example, one analysis confirms that a couple could retire on $1.5 million and withdraw $60,000 per year, $4,000 to $5,000 per month, without running out for at least 25 to 30 years. Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF is an excellent vehicle for this because of its strong historical returns and diversification, which align well with the assumptions behind the 4% rule. Why $1.5 million is the lowest? At around $1.5 million in VOO, you're hitting that sweet spot that most experts consider financially independent for a $60,000 per year budget. Could you try to do it with less? Possibly, but with higher risk. If you attempted a 5% withdrawal rate, meaning needing only $1.2 million for $60,000 per year, you would be pushing beyond the historically safe range. Some experts, including the original 4% rule creator, Bill Bengen, have noted that 5% might work in many cases, but it wasn't guaranteed in the worst-case market scenario. A 5% drawdown could deplete your principal if markets underperform, especially early in retirement. On the flip side, if you want to be extra safe or plan for a longer than 30-year retirement, you might aim for a 3% withdrawal rate. At 3%, to get $60,000 a year, you'd need $2 million invested. This gives more cushion, as 3% is a very conservative draw that portfolios can likely sustain indefinitely. But $2 million is obviously higher than necessary for many scenarios. Hence, 4%, $1.5 million, is a popular compromise between safety and practicality. In summary, $1.5 million in VOO is about the lowest amount most would recommend to confidently withdraw $5,000 per month. It assumes you're comfortable following the 4% rule, which uses both VOO's dividends and selling a small fraction of your holdings each year to generate income. Historically, this approach held up over at least 30 years in virtually all market conditions. It's not 100% risk-free, no stock-based strategy is, but it's grounded in extensive market data and is widely used by retirees. Living off $5,000 per month from Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF is an attainable goal if you save and invest consistently. VOO's combination of low fees, broad diversification, modest dividend income, and strong growth make it ideal for this purpose. The magic number comes out to roughly $1.5 million invested in VOO, based on the 4% safe withdrawal guideline. With that amount, you can reasonably plan to draw $60,000 a year and let the power of the stock market keep your nest egg surviving as long as you need it. A few tips to keep in mind: reinvest until you retire. While you're still building your portfolio, reinvest VOO's dividends and add new contributions. Compound growth will help you reach $1.5 million faster. Stay the course. The market will have ups and downs. Remember that the 10% historical average return of the S&P 500 includes many downturns along the way. Staying invested in VOO through volatility is key to achieving long-term growth. Review your plan. As you approach retirement, ensure $5,000 per month is still a comfortable target. Consider inflation and lifestyle. You might adjust the withdrawal rate slightly or incorporate some bonds for stability, but VOO can remain a core holding for growth even in retirement. By focusing on a solid fund like VOO and following a disciplined withdrawal strategy, you can turn a substantial nest egg into a reliable $5,000 monthly income. It's all about that balance, letting your investments grow, skimming off a sustainable 4% each year, and enjoying the financial freedom you've worked hard to create.